What is up, guys? It is Zach Guy here with another video, and today I figured that I would try something different. And today I'm going to be calling a number at 3 o'clock in the morning. It is 2:59 right now, so 3 a.m. I will be calling Sylveon Broadwell. And do not call this number. I don't want you guys.
Yeah, I'm not buying that.
Sylveon Broadwell. If you don't know, Sylveon Broadwell is a demon or / character from the EV show. And supposedly, if you call him at this time...
The National Weather System in Bozeman has issued a tornado warning. Areas will be hit by Z tornado, California, New Mexico, and Arizona. If you're in those areas, get low as possible. Bring a radio or an electrical device that brings information.
Alright, so it is 3 a.m., so I will be calling Sylveon Broadwell. I'm not